Right now, inside your body, millions of tiny cells are making a decision. Should they store more energy or finally start using it? Most people think walking is only about burning a few calories, but that's not the real story. The real story begins deep beneath your skin, where your muscles, hormones, and metabolism are quietly talking to each other. Every step sends a message your body has been waiting to hear. And what happens next is something most people never realize. Imagine your metabolism as a giant city powered by thousands of factories. Those factories create energy for everything you do. But when you spend most of your day sitting, many of those factories slow down to save resources. Your body isn't being lazy, it's being efficient. It always tries to protect you by storing energy for later. That's why your body isn't working against you. It's responding to the signals you give it. The moment you begin walking every day, those signals start to change. Your muscles become like busy workers opening their factory doors. They ask for more fuel. Blood begins flowing faster, delivering oxygen and nutrients to places that have been relatively quiet. Your heart increases its rhythm, not because you're in danger, but because it's helping every part of your body communicate more efficiently. But here's the part most people miss. During the first few minutes, your body isn't focused on burning fat. It's preparing the system. Hormones begin shifting. Muscles start pulling glucose from your bloodstream. Your cells become more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that acts like a delivery driver, guiding sugar into your cells instead of leaving it circulating in your blood. It's a small change, but it lays the foundation for everything that comes next. Now watch this. As walking becomes a daily habit, your body starts making a much bigger adjustment. Your muscles learn to produce energy more efficiently. Tiny structures inside your cells, called mitochondria, the power plants of your body, become stronger and more numerous. Think of them as upgrading from a few small generators to an entire network of modern power stations. This is where most people stop, but this is where it starts. Your body begins relying less on quick bursts of energy and becomes better at accessing stored fat when it needs extra fuel. Blood vessels expand more easily. Your heart pumps with greater efficiency. Stress hormones settle more quickly after everyday challenges. None of these changes happen overnight, but together, they quietly rebuild your metabolism from the inside. And this changes everything. After your walk is over, your body doesn't simply return to normal. It continues repairing muscle fibers, restoring energy stores, and improving communication between organs. Each session becomes a lesson your body remembers. Day after day, it adapts, becoming more efficient at producing energy with less effort. This is where it gets interesting. Many people believe they have a slow metabolism that's impossible to change. But your metabolism isn't a fixed number. It's a living system that constantly adjusts to your daily habits. You're not fighting your body, you're teaching it. Every walk tells your body, energy is needed. Build a system that can provide it. Research consistently shows that regular walking improves insulin sensitivity, supports healthier blood sugar control, strengthens cardiovascular function, and increases overall metabolic efficiency over time. These improvements don't come from one long workout. They come from repeating a simple signal again and again until your body rewires itself to expect it. But imagine the opposite. When movement disappears from your routine, those same energy factories receive a different message. Slow down. Store more. Prepare for inactivity. Your body isn't trying to make life harder. It's simply adapting to the instructions it receives every day. Over weeks and months, something remarkable happens. Walking no longer feels like exercise to your body. It becomes part of its operating system. Your muscles become more efficient. Your heart becomes stronger. Your cells communicate more smoothly. Your metabolism becomes better at doing what it was designed to do, providing steady energy instead of constantly holding on to it. Your body isn't broken, it isn't stubborn, and it isn't your enemy. It's an intelligent system that listens carefully to your daily actions. Every walk is more than movement. It's a message that says, build a healthier, stronger, more efficient version of me. And step by step, that's exactly what your body begins to do. So what surprised you most? That your metabolism can adapt, or that your body has been listening to your daily habits all along? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed learning what happens inside your body, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more body science stories.